Hi guys, we are again in Espoo, Finland, near the place called Bird Paradise. As you can see, there are many birds in the lake having a great time. Usually they are very loud, but today they are quite quiet. The best way to reach this destination is certainly to use bicycles. Although it seems like a wild nature, you can see buildings in the background, and actually behind me there is a huge power plant. We have recently discovered this place and we like to come back. There are many places like this around Espoo. It seems that there are hundreds and hundreds of bicycle tracks, so you can easily travel around and see many places. Bye!